At Jennifer Lane Brands, we work with all kinds of small businesses. And one of the things that we run into time and time again is the lack of a true marketing plan. Now, I know a lot of business owners have this fear of marketing plans, or they actually just don't know where to get started, or they think it's too big, or the time to do it just doesn't exist. So they just sort of wing it, which in many instances may serve them, but it may not serve them best. One of the things that we see is they may have an opportunity for a very specific marketing tactic, like I have an opportunity to advertise here. And so they go forth and they write the check. But what we question is, what were the other opportunities that they may have missed? Where might their time, money, and effort have been better spent for a better return on investment for a specific product or a specific target? A marketing plan doesn't have to be big and hairy and overbearing. It's sort of a place where you can put all of the opportunities that you have and you can start to weigh those and measure those against each other. We're big advocates for marketing plans, and we have frameworks that aren't too onerous or too scary. Call us and let us help you put together the basic framework so that you can understand where your bets are best placed, when, and what kind of return you might expect on those.